Imagine a digital assistant so powerful it could handle everything on your computer for you. Not just answer questions, not just offer suggestions, but actually use your browser, click, type, even make decisions based on your preferences. Google's latest project is not just science fiction, it's here. They're calling it Project Jarvis. If the name sounds familiar, that's because it should. Think Iron Man's Jarvis, but real. Built around Google's newest Gemini 2.0 model, this isn't just another AI chatbot. It's a fully autonomous digital agent that can handle everyday tasks. Imagine booking flights, online shopping, comparing prices, and it's all happening automatically within your Chrome browser. But what makes Project Jarvis so powerful? At its core is Google's advanced Gemini 2.0 model, built on the latest in AI technology. Using a blend of transformer and mixture of XP-RTS architectures, it can choose the most relevant pathways, handle massive data inputs, and optimize complex web tasks with ease. In other words, Jarvis doesn't just work for you, it thinks for you. And this is where it gets interesting, because unlike most AI, Jarvis doesn't sit back waiting for instructions. It acts. Let's say you're booking a flight. Just tell it your preferences, and Jarvis takes over, searching, comparing, filling out forms, all without you lifting a finger. Sure, there are others trying to enter this space. Microsoft's Copilot Vision lets users interact with web pages directly. Apple's Intelligence scans your apps to provide relevant information. But no one else is doing what Jarvis is doing, taking full control of the browsing environment, managing multiple tasks seamlessly, and making digital automation feel effortless. As early as December, a lucky few may get to test this revolutionary tool. Early reports suggest a limited rollout, with Google being cautious to ensure that any security risks are minimized before a full launch. But the potential here is massive. Google's Jarvis is even set to transform online shopping. Imagine searching for a winter jacket, and Jarvis, knowing you're in Seattle, prioritizes waterproof jackets. Or better yet, you get to try on clothes virtually. Thanks to an AI try-on feature, you'll see items on a virtual version of yourself, and it's only the beginning. But what's the cost of this convenience? To work effectively, Jarvis needs access to your browsing history, shopping habits, even sensitive data like credit cards. And it's all happening in real time, which means if someone hacked Jarvis, they'd have access to, well, everything. Would you feel safe handing over your digital life to an AI? To address concerns, Google's working on transparency measures. For instance, any photo edited by Google's AI will now have metadata labeling it as edited. Though it won't show on the actual photo, it will be in the details. But even so, are these measures enough? We're entering a new age of AI, one where digital assistants don't just help, but actively take over our daily tasks. Google, Microsoft, Apple, and others are all racing toward a world where these digital agents are as essential as our smartphones. They want AI to become so integrated into our lives that we can't imagine living without it. So the big question is, are we really ready for Jarvis to take the wheel? Are we opening a door we might not be able to close, or is this just the next logical step in our digital evolution? If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more updates on the biggest changes in AI and tech. And tell me, would you trust Jarvis with your browsing life? Let me know in the comments. Until next time.